Hi, my name is Cindy.
I'm Todd.
I'm Tara.
Lori.
I'm Justin.
My name is Crystal, and I am doing my persuasive speech today on animal rights. And thank you guys for being here listening to my persuasive speech. Around the world, animals are utilized to test products ranging from shampoo to lipstick to mascara. Each and every medication used by humans is first tested on animals. According to Wikipedia.com, it has been estimated that approximately 20 million animals are being used for testing and are killed annually. About 15 million of them are used to test for medication and 5 million for other products, and about 10% of these animals are not being administered any painkillers during these tests. Yet whether such tests are actually needed and whether such tests actually provide us with any useful information is being argued by animal rights activists like me every day. Humans are quite different from other animals, so the results of animal testing is not applicable to humans. As stated by AlternativeToAnimalTesting.com, the way that animals react to a given drug or chemical in a particular way does not mean that a human body will react in the same manner, making these experimentations pointless. Some examples are: parsley is considered to be a deadly poison for parrots, yet when we use it to flavor our food. Penicillin, which was one of the first antibiotics that was experimented, which was first on mice. However, the application on guinea pigs would have entailed dangerous consequences because penicillin controls the floral bacteria in the stomachs of guinea pigs and destroys them within a few days. The Medical Research Modernization Committee, which is an American organization for doctors website, argues AIDS research in America has been very unproductive. In over a decade, nearly more than 100 chimpanzees have been infected with HIV, and only 2 have actually become ill. These examples conclude the fact that animals have very different DNA and body structures than humans, and it cannot be guaranteed the same effects on every species. Chemicals are tested on hundreds of animals every day. The Environmental Protection Agency stated that almost every chemical must be tested before being imported in the United States. This being the case, between 5,000 and 87,000 animals are subjected to testing of chemicals. For every 1,000 chemicals that are tested, an average of 1 million animals will be killed as a result. Chemical testing on animals is poisoning their bloodstream. The animals become tainted with massive doses of various chemicals in order to reach the outcome of these tests. PETA.org advises that these doses of chemicals overwhelm the animal, causing it to die a painful and stressful death. Medical testing is also performed on various types of laboratory animals, where scientists test new drugs on animals in order to determine the level of toxicity before releasing these drugs out to the public. Although medical testing is said to be done to ensure the safety of drugs for humans, these innocent animals are subject to suffering horrible side effects and pain just so a new drug can be released. These types of experimentations cause the death of thousands of innocent animals every day. Now, the opposing side argues that without animal testing, the medical field would not be as knowledgeable about treatments and medications to save human lives. It has been argued by the medical panel at the University of Kentucky that 60 million Americans would risk death from stroke, kidney failure, and heart attack due to the lack of medication to regulate high blood pressures, and this point is certainly understandable. However, there are alternatives to animal experimentation, which include stem cell research and computer simulations. Our technological advances today should be put forward to help animals and humankind alike without torturing or killing innocent lives of either species. In conclusion, there has been promise to find alternatives to animal testing, and yet researchers and scientists are not trying to reduce the number of animals being used, let alone eliminating animal testing altogether. Computer models can be used to devise the reaction of a drug to an animal. As a result, it would eliminate the necessity for live animal experimentation. Though no action seems to be taken by researchers, consumers can prevent the unnecessary animal testing by boycotting certain products that don't require animal testing to be performed. As of now, all we can do as the general public is to try to reduce the number of animals being harmed in these experiments and pray for a better, brighter future for these animals. Thank you.